How to record phone calls on any Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Google Dialer. Now click on search. Now tap on Phone by Google. Now install this application. If already installed, make sure to update to the latest version. Then tap on Open. Now tap on the dialer icon. Now enter the phone number and tap on Call. Now tap on three dots. Now tap on Record. Now once you tap on it, the recording will start. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.